got Paul Oswald coming up from ESI, and if there's one person who can talk to us about intelligent buildings, it is the person from the company who, quite honestly, many people feel does it better than anyone else. ESI has flagship buildings that will do things that will literally melt your mind, and I am honored to have you on Conference Live.
Thank you, Gary.
Thank you. Tell us what you're thinking about the show and sort of what ESI has going on right now.
Well, I think the show was great. I think there's a buzz, there's an excitement, a great crowd, just very, very positive. I think the breakout sessions that are scheduled are very informative. We sat in the boot camp session yesterday. That was very positive. So I think it's been great so far, and we're just getting started. So it's good.
I've had the opportunity to see some of what you're doing in
Wisconsin?
Wisconsin, sorry. The middle
Milwaukee.
of the country is just sort of a big blur for me. The buildings that you're creating are absolute cutting edge, state of the art. And I want to know, because I get to ask you these things here, what's next? What's even ahead of that curve that's exciting and soon to be seen?
I don't know if it's so much a technology play as much as it's the combination of technology and process. And it's taking really good technology and enabling high-performance processes that drive continuous improvement. And I think when you have that happen, you achieve a level of efficiency and intelligence about a building that you're not going to get just by throwing more technology.
What would you say, people look to ESI as a leader, what would you say is the secret to its success?
A commitment to thought leadership, a commitment to putting the best possible team on the solution. We invest heavily for a company our size in continuing education and bringing our people along with a never-ending learning process. I think it's our ability to constantly keep our eye on the technology radar screen so that what we're doing for our clients is always bringing best-in-class technology coupled with best-in-practice techniques and knowledge and skill. I think that's what helps keep us at the forefront.
Last question, what is the one thing that every company out there could do to help them dance this dance between technology and process? Something easy that people, if they could adopt one practice, what could it be?
I would say start paying more attention to the information in your building. I think in the day-to-day race of putting out fires and fixing things that are busted and all of that kind of stuff, we race past what the buildings are telling us. I think the first step in getting a handle on how to make a building more efficient is understanding what it's doing. So whether you're doing that with a clipboard, a spreadsheet, or some advanced analytics application, the very first thing you should do is listen to what your building's telling you.
Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you very much for being
Thank
here.
you very much. It's a pleasure.
You bet.